welcome to the Bucker Broadcast Bucker Binge, and that is where I try some of the tasty treats I find in Tokyo. Apollo is a popular chocolate made by Meiji, and this is it right here. It's a limited edition with a kind of space theme. It has some sort of crazy blue and crazy purple, and it's got our little space bunny up here. Mixed berry and soda flavour. You can see the Ramune soda bottle and the strawberry and the berries. So let's give this a taste. Nice box there. Oh, okay. You're expected to be able to fold the box open, fold the box over and display it like that. Okay. Decorative. There we go. Oh, smart. Yeah, okay. Bit besides the point there. It's like a wholesale chocolate box. You can display it like that. I suppose it's made for sharing. You can take them to a party or something and put this out on the table. Okay. The box is a bit crushed. It didn't travel well in my luggage. So, mixed berry and soda flavour. Oh, there's a graphic in there. There you are. You've earned yourself a little surprise by finishing the box. Okay, back in they go. Oh, there it is. Ooh, there's an aroma coming off of this. It's almost like a fizzy kind of smell. It's if that makes sense. I know it doesn't. Like blueberries and artificial, chemically. It's got crispy little bits of, I think it's popping candy. Yeah, it's got popping candy in it. I'm gonna have a second one for good measure. It doesn't taste like milk chocolate. It's got a kind of, it just has a chocolate texture. It's not too solid. Yeah, kind of blue raspberry kind of flavour. It's got your space strawberries on the box. That is a technical chocolate. That is so much technology going into one mountain shaped chocolate with the earth and the moon and this little space explorer. Alright, it's like a constellation, the Apollo constellation, why not? They're fine. They're quite sharp berries with the lemon soda, blue raspberry kind of fruit flavours, and the popping candy can be fun for kids. Yes, although the flavour is quite complex. It's not just one flavour. There's a lot going on with this. All in all, in general, not so bad. Yeah, those are curious. So another interesting, experimental, wild, wacky flavour of chocolate from Japan. Thank you very much. That was the 50th anniversary mixed berry and soda Apollo. What will the future bring for Apollo chocolates? Who knows, but I'll be eager to find out. If I come across any other flavours, I'll gladly give them a go. Thank you for your interest. That's the Bucker Broadcast Bucker Binge. Thank you for watching, and thank you to our patrons who support us financially. If you'd like to do so too, then check out our Patreon and have a look at our channel for other content, including music and